Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Matt Leschber here, 1836 Property Management in beautiful Austin, Texas. This video is to discuss the differences between landlord insurance and homeowners insurance. They sound the same, but we're going to need to dig into it. So landlord insurance is required if you're not the primary occupant of the home, or if you rent your personal property for an extended period of time. That insurance policy is very different than a homeowner's policy. Landlord insurance encompasses specialized forms of protection for you as a homeowner who's not there to watch that property. Loss of income coverage in the event of a covered loss is something else that would not be covered on a traditional homeowner's policy. Landlord insurance usually doesn't provide personal policy coverage. So if you've left a couch behind or a TV, which we don't do at 1836, those aren't going to be covered anyway. Sometimes they can offer special optional protection, but the cost benefit's typically never worth it. Landlord insurance does not contain an all-encompassing coverage. Regular wear and tear, keep in mind, is protected by state law. If your tenants scratch the wall through normal use, then that's covered by state law. The landlord insurance policy is not going to cover those things, and well, of course, they're not going to be contrary to the law in place anyway. Homeowners insurance. So this is what you would traditionally have on a house that you occupy. It's required if you're the primary occupant of the property and have a mortgage, because your mortgage company has to be covered, right? You owe them some money, and what happens if it burns down? It's applicable to personal property in that home up to a certain percentage of the value of the asset. It's also applicable to the house, even the payments for medical care in the event of an injury on the premise. So if somebody comes over to deliver an Amazon package and they trip and fall and you get sued, it's going to help defray those costs for you after the deductible. Real estate investors must always carry landlord insurance. This is something we require and even see documentation delivered from at 1836. But that policy for damages is really your primary source of protection in the event something happens. Give us a call if we can discuss this topic for you or any others to help you become a better investor. Find us online at 1836propertymanagement.com or give us a call, 512-994-4323.